In this video, I want to show you how you can easily create AI stories for your kids with custom pictures and audio. So in the Gemini app, you go to Explore Gems and then choose Storybook. And this allows you to put in a prompt and then this will create a storybook. So I'm just going to create a prompt that I've used for my kid Arthur, who's 5 years old, and he loves this stuff. So for this one, I want to write a story about my 5-year-old son Arthur. He's going to travel to Ireland to his granddad's fruit farm in Korea. He's joined by a cast of characters, a farty ghost, his family. The story should be similar to Dogman with unique challenges for Arthur and his ghost to overcome. Please make the characters resemble these pictures I'm going to give you, and also add the KTX, which is a train that takes us from Seoul to Busan. So what this is going to do is going to create the storybook for Arthur, 10 pages, and we can listen to that storybook now.
Arthur and the Great Watermelon Adventure. Arthur, a 5-year-old with a mission, held a tiny watermelon seed. This seed, he declared to his family, is going on an adventure. His best friend, a ghost named Jengu, floated beside him. An adventure? Jengu whispered, letting out a nervous little toot. I hope there are snacks. Arthur's dad, a tall man with a kind smile, ruffled his hair. It's a long way to Granddad's farm in Busan, he said. Are you sure this little seed is up for it? Arthur's mom, carrying his baby brother Aries, added, It will be a big trip for a little seed. Don't worry, Arthur said. Jengu and I will protect it. Poof. Jengu let out a big, stinky fart of agreement. Baby Aries giggled and clapped his hands. Soon, they were on a giant airplane, flying high above the clouds. Jengu, who had never been on a plane before, was so scared he farted for the entire flight. The other passengers fanned their noses and looked around in confusion. When they landed in Korea, they took a super-fast train called the KTX. The train was so fast that Jengu's ghost farts couldn't keep up. They zipped out of the train window like little green rockets. Finally, they arrived at Granddad's farm in Busan. Granddad was waiting for them with a big, happy smile. Arthur, you're here, he said, giving him a huge hug. Arthur showed Granddad the precious watermelon seed. We brought it all the way from Ireland, he said proudly. Wow, said Granddad, that's a very special seed. Let's find the perfect spot for it. But just as they were about to plant the seed, a sneaky magpie swooped down and snatched it from Arthur's hand. Oh no, cried Arthur, my seed. I've got this, yelled Jengu. He took a deep breath and let out the biggest, smelliest, most powerful fart of his life. The fart blast shot through the air and hit the magpie, which was so surprised it dropped the seed. Arthur caught the seed just in time. You did it, Jengu. You saved the seed, he cheered. Together, he and Granddad planted the seed in the rich, dark soil. They knew that with a little bit of water, a lot of sunshine, and the help of a gassy ghost, it would grow into the biggest, juiciest watermelon ever.
Once you're finished reviewing the video, you can ask Gemini to change it, to make some edits, to add some more things, and then you can share it in Gmail or Google Docs. It's just a very easy to use use case. It may seem very simple, but this has created some really nice moments between me and my son, and I hope it does the same for you. I hope you found this video useful. Follow for more.